The most chilling sound in history wasn't the verdict, it was the laughter. We've seen the banality of evil in history books, but there is a layer of the Nuremberg Trials that remained buried in the archives. Audio never meant for the public ear. In 2026, AI is bringing these voices back. 1945, the Nuremberg Trials. Everyone has seen the grainy footage of the defendants, but few have heard the ghost tapes. Hidden in the archives are audio, recordings from the lunch breaks. While the world's worst war criminals were on trial for genocide, the microphones kept rolling. During lunch breaks and the tapes, catch them doing the unthinkable, being ordinary, joking about their favorite meals, complaining about the cold German weather. This isn't just history, it's a terrifying look at the human side of monsters. Are we ready to hear them?
Did you see Jackson's face when I corrected his dates? The Americans, they have the passion of a theater troupe.
They want us to be villains in a play, Herman. They don't realize we were just the stagehands.
This is the terrifying reality of the banality of evil. In 2026, AI-restored audio is bringing these voices back to life with haunting clarity. It's no longer a muffled echo. It's a conversation in the room with you. Imagine the scene. Just minutes ago, evidence of unimaginable atrocities was presented to the court. The room is heavy with the weight of millions of lives lost. Then, the recess bell rings. On these tapes, you hear Rudolf Hess complaining that his soup is too thin. You hear Gring mocking the fashion choices of the American prosecutors. There is a specific recording, Restoration File 7, where two defendants argue over a card game, as if they were old friends at a pub. Not men facing the gallows. They weren't remorseful. They were critics watching their own trial like it was a bad movie. Even facing the rope, the mundane took over. Listen to Wilhelm Keitel.
It's going to snow tonight. I can feel it in my knee. If they're going to hang us, I hope they do it before the frost. I'd hate to catch a cold on the way to the rope.
Imagine that. Worrying about a cold, while facing execution for crimes against humanity. Why is this so disturbing? Because it strips away the monster mask. It forces us to realize that these weren't cartoon villains. They were people who chose to do what they did, and then went to lunch and wondered if it would rain. The guards at Nuremberg reported that the most difficult part wasn't the testimony, it was the ghost tapes happening in real time. The realization that the men responsible for the Holocaust could still find things funny. As AI peels back the layers of the past, we are forced to confront the ghosts of Nuremberg in 4K. It's a reminder that evil doesn't always growl. Sometimes it just complains about the soup. Sometimes it laughs. And sometimes it just complains about the weather. What do you think?